Okay, seriously, watching raw wood transform? Meet the beast. This machine takes a simple plank and turns it into something incredible. Just watch those shavings fly. It's all about speed, precision, and getting every single piece perfectly shaped. It's not just the machine. There's a real art to guiding each piece, ensuring it comes out just right. And then it's on to the next. The production never stops, always making something new. From rough planks to these perfectly smooth rods. It's amazing what craftsmanship and a powerful machine can create.